on our new channel. I'm so excited. Today we're going to be opening the LOL Bling series. In this you get 7 surprises. First surprise is a code, second surprise is some stickers, the third is a water bottle, your fourth is some sunglasses or sometimes a headband depending on the doll, your fifth is an outfit, your sixth is some shoes or a mermaid flipper if you're super special, and 7 is your doll who may or may not be a water changer. Oh, how exciting. To open the balls, first you're going to need to get your cold water ready and obviously your balls. The cold water is to see if the outfits change, if they cry, dribble or tinkle. We'll bring that back later once we've opened them. So, let's get started. Normally, you find the zipper, and this should make it easier to tear. Oh, we've got to be careful to keep our eye out for the code. Oh, I think I can see it. See? Oh, our code is glow up. How cool is that? Just in case you don't know where the clue is, it tells you right in the corner. Let's continue with the opening. Oh, this is so exciting. I just wish I didn't make so many layers. Let's just remove that. We'll keep all our surprises on the table and we can see them all in the end. Ooh. Always find the zipper again, it makes it a lot easier to open. A little winky face, a spitter, a tinkler and a crier. Again, we're going to leave them in the middle just so you can see them all properly together. Oh, I'm so excited, we're getting close now. Oh, here's our ball. Oh, apparently I've got another layer. Invisible layer. There we go. There we go. That's what it comes in like. This is your actual stand for your LOL dolls. Oh, it has this adorable tissue paper on it. Now this big one is our doll and we'll save that for last. We'll have a quick look to see who we can get. If you have all of these, let me know because this is my first LOL Surprise Bling series. And I think they all look cool. Prankster's pretty darn cool, I'd like her best. Oh, or Posh. Oh, I like these so much. Let's see who we get then. We'll try and work it out by the accessories. So far we've got, this is impossible to open. We've got a lovely pair of glittery black boots with little gold laces on them. Can you see them? We'll put them there. Open to our next surprise. Now, the only one of them has long black boots like that, so that's a dead giveaway who we've got. But again, if you can tell already, leave it in the comments. Oh wow, look at these. These are like the coolest sunglasses ever. They've got like a gold stripe on them. I'd definitely buy these. Put them back in the middle with the rest. On to the next one. Oh, this is our milk carton. Missing. Have you seen Meow? How funny is that? Can you see it? Oh, this is so clever. What I love about the low dolls is they're all dead trendy. Right, let's try and find our outfit. We've got everything else but... Here we go. Oh, it's a two-piece. We've got a lovely leopard camo kind of top with a pink sparkly lace, and then these lovely gold hot pants. Oh, whoever she is, she's gonna look dapper. If you know, make sure you comment. And finally, let's have a look and see who we've got. Oh wow! It's Honeybun! She's got these fantastic gold earrings. Oh, she's so glittery. She's just perfect. She's doing the splits. That's how fabulous she is. We'll see if she's a colour changer. I don't think so, but she might be. Is there anything happening? No. Let's get her some water in her mouth. And she spit! That's so cool. Let's move our water out of the way. And let's continue to get her dressed. Woo! That was effort. Now, her little top, which, if you have Jet Set Cutie from the outfit of the day, looks very similar to one of hers. Maybe they can swap. There we go. And there's a little top, a little tum-tum sticking out. She is fabulous. Now, normally I don't have any trouble with the shoes. Try and pull these pants up a little bit more. There we go. Oh, there we go. And then these ultra cool sunglasses. And voila, there is our Honeybun. Now, to be truthful, she was not fun to dress. I'm covered in glitter. I guess that's what you get when you buy the Bling series. Voila, let's get her ball and stand her in and let her wait for her friend. I wonder who she'll get today. Put her right there. She's doing some kind of cool acrobats. Right, let's move on to our second ball. Again, same 7 surprises. Find the zipper. I do suggest you have a grown-up to help you. Cool. Our surprise for this one is Sparkle Like a Star. There we go. This ball is blue. How cool. So hopefully I'll definitely get a different one. Oh, finally, last layer. Here we go, let's see what we've got. Exciting. Again, I've showed you who we've got, so I'm just going to add again. We can tick off Honeybun. I wonder who else we're going to get. Honeybun is a fabulous, which kind of means it's quite common that most people probably get them. The only really rare ones in this is Sugar Queen and Splash Queen, so all the queens are special. Oh, this is a very little accessory. Let's have a look what it is. Oh, they're the shoes. Oh, these are pretty cool shoes. Can you guess who it is from the shoes alone? Think I can. This is the one I kind of wanted, I think. Next bottle. Oh my goodness, this is so fabulous. I mean, look at that bottle. We've got, oh, this is a tiny, tiny accessory. What is it? Oh, it's like a scarf. Can you see it? Oh, that's a doll. We'll save that to last. Oh, this is a hat, I believe. Oh my gosh. This is just beautiful. I'd wear this. I just can't wait to open the doll now. Oh yes, look at the outfit. This just screams, oh, fancy. If you know who it is, make a comment. Yay! It is Posh. Let's twizzle her legs around. Look how fabulous this is. And she's wearing nice little pink tights. White tights even, should I say. It's because she's got a pink outfit. I mean, look at those blue sparkly eyes and her lovely brown hair. Very vintage. Let's see if she's a colour changer. Nothing seems to be appearing on mine. If she colour changes for you, let me know. She might be a warm colour changer, and I don't actually have any warm water with me at the moment. See if she cries, spits, or tinkles. I think she's a tinkler. Yeah, I can see the bubbles. She's definitely a tinker. Oh, there we go. There's a tinkling. Wow. I'm so happy. I really wanted this one. Let's get her dressed. Luckily, it's not trousers, so it should be easy to get her dressed. And then there's a lovely little hat. I mean, how adorable is that? Oh, look at the little booties. They're so cool. Oh, let's try and get a scarf on her. Got. Oh, let's try and put on the brand. There we go. How great are these? Oh, I could go out and buy loads more of this. So happy we got Posh. Let's look, put her little ball there. Let's just clean everything away. So I think if you get the Bling series and you get Posh, you get Sparkle Like a Star. And if you get Honey Bun, you'll get Glow Up. And the only thing to do left now is to have a little play with them. Hi, I'm Honey Bun. Hello, darling, I'm Posh. Wow, I love your sippy cup. Thank you, darling. It's so kind. I love your sunglasses. Hey, maybe we can trade sometime. That'd be amazing. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the show. Yeah, I hope you subscribe and find out more. Because we'll be starring in a LOL series. That's right. I'm doing a LOL series about the country LOL, Twang. She came in the hairdo, hair goals. And she's going on the travel to become a LOL superstar in Lollywood. Tune in soon to find it. Thanks, my little dolls. Bye.